Good day everyone, my name is Gabutan from 11 STEM. So today I'm going to teach you how to get the average, count, and count if formula using the Microsoft Excel. So by this following question, we have to follow and answer this. First is determine the number of people who are willing to pay a certain amount. So to get the people or number of people, so we have to follow the formula of count. Then first is equal, and then count. Then after that, click this count. Then highlight this from top to bottom. After that is enter, and then that we have the number of people, and then number 2 is how many of the certain group, teacher or student, are willing to pay more. To get this, we have to follow the formula of count if. First, we have to put equal and then count if. Click this count if and then highlight this from top to bottom, and then comma, quotation mark, and then paste the check, and then quotation mark again. So enter. So we have the number of people who are willing to pay 15 pesos below. And then second is just do it again. Then equal count if, click this count if and then highlight this from top to bottom. After that, comma, then quotation mark, space, and then paste, quotation mark again, enter. Next one is to get the number of people who are willing to pay 26 to 35 peso, equal, and then count if. Click this count if and then highlight this from top to bottom, and then comma, then quotation mark, space, and then paste, then quotation mark again, enter. And then from this, do it again, and then first is equal, then count if, count if, click this count if, and then highlight this from top to bottom, then comma, quotation mark, then space, then paste, then quotation mark again, oops, paste, quotation mark, then enter. And then this one, who are willing to pay 46 to 55 peso, we have to get this, we have to follow count if again. Count if formula first is equal, then count if, click this count if, then highlight, then comma, quotation mark, space, then paste, then quotation mark again, enter. So that's the number 2. Then I'm gonna proceed to number 3 question is how many of the certain group, teacher or student, like the presentation of the product or services. So we have this we have these two option, the like and the does not like of the presentation of the product or services. So to get this, how many pila ka tao ang ganahan or gusto ani nga product is you have to follow the formula of count if. First is equal, and then count if. After that is we're gonna highlight from top to bottom, then comma, then quotation mark, and then gonna put yes, and quotation mark again, then enter. So that's kana mga person or nga number of people nga ganahan aning atong product or services. So para sa dili mga ganahan is we gonna follow the count if formula again, equal count if, click this count if, and then highlight this, okay, highlight this from top to bottom, and then comma, then quotation mark, then kay dili man siya ganahan, so ibutan na to no, and then quotation mark again, then enter. So that's all. Thank you. I hope you've learned something about this tutorial. That's all. Bye.